attachments.
First applause for you.
Richard Gere on George Clooney as the Oscar. It's difficult.
Should be difficult.
It should take a long time. Maybe. Yeah.
The winner is the National Gallery of Denmark, Copenhagen.
Thank you so much. Oh, it's beautiful.
It's a stroke.
Yeah, and it looks beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you, Anna-Mis, for a fantastic day in Copenhagen. And thank you, the Academy. Thank you for Hands on International. I remember when... yeah, I think I will. I'm really happy to... let's have it here. I came to you in Stockholm and I asked, do I have any chance to be part of this competition, because I would love it so much, but I thought, oh, we are an art museum, we are not having so much hand-on as some of you. And he said, yeah, here's the secretariat, blah, 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 blah. And so I wrote, and I'm really, really happy. We will have a new director in a month. And he has no experience with children, with education at museums. So I think Nigel will give me a good position. I'm really, really happy for it. And I think it's so nice that you're arranging all these things. Like, it was my first time in Stockholm, and to meet colleagues from all over the world dealing with the same thing as I was dealing with, sometimes in another way, but still was really inspiring. So it's so important, the work you're doing here, because without that I would be I would miss you, and I would miss the support that we all need in our organizations. Right now we don't have €1 for the next exhibition for children, but again I think Nigel will help me. And I know myself that it's important what we are doing in the museum. I know that the children, we're really changing their way of thinking at museums. I know that we have 50,000 every year coming, and I can see it in their eyes that something has happened when they have been into the museum. And I meet a lot of people my age saying, oh, I'm never going to a museum because when I was a child, I remember my visit at museums, and yeah, sometimes it takes about 30, 40 years to come back then. But I think this will change very much these years. And I think for us it's fantastic to give some special conditions for children to understand and see art. And art is so important to me. I think it helps us grow as people. I think with our exhibitions, Life and Death and Freedom now, we go down, venture down unfamiliar ways. We are together about discussing what life is all about. So, yeah.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you very much for your